Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful strategy for making money with ClickBank affiliate marketing. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating a profitable affiliate marketing campaign using ClickBank. Step 1. Create a ClickBank account. First things first, if you haven't already, create a ClickBank account. It's free and easy to sign up. Click on Create Account and fill out the registration form. Once you've created your account, you'll have access to the ClickBank Marketplace, where you can browse thousands of products to promote. Step 2. Find a product to promote. Once you've created your account, navigate to the ClickBank Marketplace and browse through the various products available. For this strategy, we're looking for a low-ticket product with a good gravity score. Gravity score is a measure of how well a product is selling on ClickBank. Look for products with a gravity score of at least 10. Step 3. Create an article using WriteSonic. Next, we're going to use WriteSonic, an AI-powered article writing tool, to create an article promoting our chosen product. WriteSonic offers a free plan for up to 10,000 words, making it an excellent choice for affiliate marketers. Simply sign up for a WriteSonic account, choose a template, and let the AI do the work for you. Step 4. Publish your article on Vocal Media. After creating your article, publish it on Vocal Media, a platform that allows you to share your content and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Vocal Media has a built-in audience interested in various topics, including affiliate marketing. Simply create a Vocal Media account, upload your article, and start driving traffic to your affiliate links. Step 5. Drive traffic to your article using Pinterest. To drive traffic to your article, create a Pinterest account and start creating pins related to affiliate marketing. Use Canva to design your pins and make sure to include a link to your article. Pinterest is a great platform for driving traffic to your affiliate links, as it has a large audience interested in various topics. Step 6. Monetize your article with affiliate links. Finally, add your affiliate links to your article and make sure to disclose your affiliation with the product. You can add affiliate links to your article using the ClickBank Affiliate Link Generator. Make sure to follow ClickBank's affiliate program terms and conditions. Tips and reminders. Make sure to follow ClickBank's affiliate program terms and conditions. Use a call to action in your article to encourage readers to click on your affiliate link. Drive traffic to your article using Pinterest and other social media platforms. Always disclose your affiliation with the product. Use a reliable affiliate link generator to create affiliate links. That's it for today's video. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can start making money with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Remember to stay consistent, drive traffic to your article, and always disclose your affiliation with the product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials.